everyone.
Welcome to Lawyer Up by NDV Law. Hello, I am Raul M. Damuy. I am the accountant of Nicolas and the Vega Law offices.
I am Nor Sanchez, accounts officer of Nicolas and the Vega Law offices.
And I am Erika de la Vega, accounts officer of Nicolas and the Vega Law offices. In today's video, we're going to talk about the reportory requirements to be filed or submitted to the BIR. Let's get started!
From a compliance and governance perspective, BIR Form 2303 or the Certificate of Registration is one of the most important documents for businesses in the Philippines. The COR outlines the taxes that a business is required to pay. For example, a standard corporation generally have to pay income tax, value-added tax, withholding tax on compensation, and including the percentage tax.
Here are some BIR forms filed used in payment of taxes.
First, the BIR Form 0619-E. It is the monthly remittance form for creditable income taxes withheld expanded. This form shall be filed and the tax remitted on or before the 10th day following the month in which withholding was made. This shall be filed for the first 2 months of each calendar quarter.
Second, BIR Form Number 1601-EQ, Quarterly Remittance Return of Creditable Income Taxes Withheld Expanded. This quarterly withholding tax remittance return shall be filed and the tax paid remitted not later than the last day of the month of the following close of the quarter during which withholding was made.
Next, BIR Form Number 1601-C, or the monthly remittance return of income tax withheld on compensation. This return should be filed on or before the 10th day of the following month in which withholding tax was made.
Next, the BIR Form Number 1604-C. It is the annual information return of income taxes withheld on compensation. It is filed on or before January 31 of the following year in which the compensation payment and other income payments were paid or accrued.
Next, BIR Form Number 2550M, monthly value-added tax declaration not later than the 20th day following of the close of the month.
Next, the BIR Form Number 2550Q, or the quarterly value-added tax return. This return is filed not later than the 25th day following the close of each taxable quarter.
Next, the BIR Form 2551Q, or the quarterly percentage tax return. This return shall be filed in the tax paid within 25 days after the end of each taxable quarter.
Next, BIR Form Number 1701A, Annual Income Tax Return for individuals earning income purely from business profession, those under the graduated income tax rate with OSD as mode of deduction, or those who opted to avail of the 8% flat income tax rate. This return is filed on or before April 15 of each year covering income for the preceding tax year.
The other BIR form is the BIR Form Number 1701, or the Annual Income Tax Return for individuals, including mixed income earner, estate, and trusts. This return is filed on or before April 15 of each year covering income for the preceding taxable year.
Next is the BIR Form Number 1701Q. It is the quarterly income tax return for self-employed individuals, estates, and trusts. It should be filed on or before May 15, August 15, November 15 of the current taxable year.
Next, BIR Form Number 1702-EX, Annual Income Tax Return for corporation, partnership, and other non-individual taxpayer exempt under the tax code as amended, Section 30, and those exempted in Section 27C, and other special laws, with no other taxable income. This return is filed on or before the 15th of the 4th month following the close of taxpayer's taxable year.
Next, BIR Form number 1702-RT, or the annual income tax return for the corporation, partnership, and other non-individual taxpayer subject only to regular income tax rate. This return is filed with or without payment on or before the 15th day of the 4th month following close of the taxpayer's taxable year.
And finally, the BIR Form number 1702Q. It is the quarterly income tax return for corporation, partnerships, and other non-individual taxpayers. The corporate quarterly income tax return shall be filed with or without payment within 60 days following the close of its first 3 quarters of the taxable year, whether calendar or fiscal year.
So those are the common BIR forms used in payment of taxes in the Philippines. If this video helps you, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button.
You can also visit the official website, ndvlaw.com.
And again, this is
Lawyer Up by NDV Law.
Thank you for watching.